This recipe is quick and easy, so we will start by preheating the oven at 360 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Give everything a quick whisk to combine. In another bowl, add half cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of oil, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until smooth. Now pour the dry ingredients into the wet. Mix just until combined. Don't overmix. This keeps the muffins soft and fluffy. Now the heroes of this recipe: half cup of white chocolate chips and 1.5 cup of frozen raspberries. Gently fold them in so that they don't break. Line your muffin tray and scoop the butter in. This recipe makes 12 muffins. Fill each about 3/4 full. You can add extra raspberries and chocolate on top if you like. Bake in the preheated oven for around 25 to 30 minutes. Let them cool a few minutes in the pan, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely, if you can wait that long. These muffins are soft, moist, bursting with juicy raspberries, and the white chocolate adds the perfect touch of sweetness. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. And they freeze beautifully too. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more easy and delicious treats.